Poppy. Today let's learn different winter words starting with the alphabets from A to Z. ABC winter alphabets. Part 1. A. Arctic fox. Arctic fox. B. Blanket. Blanket. C. Candy cane. Candy cane. D. Decorations. Decorations. E. Elf. Elf. F. Fruitcake. Fruitcake. G. Gloves. Gloves. H. Hat. I. Icicles. J. Jacket. K. Knitwear. L. Log. M. Mittens. Yay! And that brings us to the end of this lesson. Now you know so many different winter words which start with the different alphabets. And for more fun videos like this, be sure to check out the other videos on our channel. You can find the links available in the description box below. See you again tomorrow. Bye-bye for now. And if you like our videos, be sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Peach Peanut Poppy.